Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sign out of your Gmail on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign out of your Gmail app on your phone, first open up your Gmail app, and after opening your Gmail app guys, on this interface at the top right corner of your screen, you can see there is your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here tap on the manage accounts on this device option available for us. Over here tap on it and you land over here. Now in order to sign out of your Gmail account from your device, tap on the account from which you want to sign out, and you can see the remove account button available for us. Tap on the remove account button, and there is the remove account button available for us in the red at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the remove account again, and your Gmail will be signed out from your phone, and with that being said, it will also be removed. And so guys, this is how to sign out of your Gmail app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.